Hi guys, here's a quick review on this. TY Beanie Buddy 2002 Purr the Cat Plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Here's the eyes, pretty cool. Plastic. There's the nose, the whiskers, the mouth. There's the ribbon, pretty cool. There's the paws. Pretty cool. Love it. Super nice. I love this plush. I mean, it's really like so beautiful and nice looking. It's from 2002. It's so nice. I love it so much. And the ears, the tag protector, nice. The eyes, the whiskers, the paws. Here he is like this. And like this. And like this. Amazing. And like this. Super awesome. And like this. Pretty cool. Love it. Pretty nice. Oh, let me show you his tush tag. Or her tush tag. The Beanie Buddies collection. Pretty cool. Tie and copyright 2002. PE pellets. Oak Brook, Illinois. Handmade in China. Let's open up the hang tag. Set the camera down and open up the hang tag. Oh. There we go. Oh, this one actually doesn't have a tidbit like the, it says, this, the Beanie Baby, no, it just says, the Beanie Babies collection, that, purr. Cats are known to purr when they are happy, but no one knows actually how they do it. Like this. Yeah, pretty cool. Anyways, let's put the tag protector back on. As so. Alright. Here he is. Pretty nice and cool looking. And like this. Like this. Like this. The gray flock nose. The mouth. The ears, and the belly, eye level, pretty cool, and that's it. Yep, it's really nice, so fluffy and soft. The white belly, there's the paws, pretty detailed paws, and that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby, or Beanie Buddy, 2002 Purr the Cat Plush. Alright guys, bye.